the 3 dots and a dash, the Tiki cocktail recipe that literally means that you're winning. Stay tuned, and not only are you going to find out a little bit of history about where the name comes from, but naturally you're going to find out how to make this amazing rum cocktail recipe. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this Tiki cocktail recipes video, we're going to be talking about how to make a 3 dots and a dash. Now, if you're new to the channel, you're looking for the best in bartending tips, bartending tricks, and bartending videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here. And don't forget to don't forget to hit the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now, the 3 dots and a dash is yet another classic Tiki recipe, Tiki cocktail recipe that was created by Don Beach back in the 1930s at his bar, Don the Beachcomber in California. By the way, if you're looking for some more Tiki cocktail recipes, many of which are also created by Don Beach, you can check out these videos right here. Now, as far as the name goes, 3 dots and a dash is actually Morse code for the letter V, which was used to communicate victory during World War II. That's how the name came about. Now for this one, we're going to go ahead and be using the Smuggler's Cove recipe for the 3 dots and a dash. But even though this recipe calls for it to be blended, I'm opting to use this shaker. So go ahead and grab your shaker, put a little bit of crushed ice in it, and then go ahead and add the following. Half an ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of orange juice, half an ounce of honey syrup, 1/4 ounce of falernum, 1/4 ounce of allspice dram, 1.5 ounces of rum agricole or French rum, half an ounce of a blended aged rum, I'm going with a Jamaican rum here, and 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Go ahead and give that a shake, and then pour everything out into your glass. Once you're done, fill that glass up with a little bit more crushed ice, and then comes to the point of your garnish. Now, the garnish typically symbolizes the 3 dots and a dash. Most often, in a lot of places, you'll see them use 3 cherries for the dots and then a pineapple wedge or a pineapple slice or something like that for the dash. I'm gonna do something a little bit simpler, and I'm gonna go ahead and take 3 pineapple fronds and use those for my those 3 points for my 3 dots. Then I'm gonna take a toothpick, connect them together, and have that as my dash. Just gonna stick it into the ice, and you're already set to serve it to your guests. And that, my friends, is the 3 dots and a dash cocktail. Perfect Tiki cocktail recipe for when you're winning at life. Now, if you're looking for products and programs to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there, starting with our Mixology Mastery online bartending course, comprehensive program I put together to teach you everything from basic skills all the way to advanced techniques. If you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. And for more great bartending tips, bartending tricks, and bartending videos, don't forget to check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.